Hi parents, today I want to show you how to use the speech typing tool in Google Slides. Now, this tool is only going to allow you to type in this area, which is this area down here at the bottom. In order to access it, you can put your cursor over these three dots and you can click, drag it up and down. Okay, once you have an area that you can work in, you'll go to Tools up at the top, click on it, down to Voice Type Speaker Notes. You will need to give this document permission to use your microphone. And when you are ready, you can click on the microphone and begin to speak. Make sure your cursor is where you want it. And as you can see, everything that I am saying is being typed in this area. To stop the typing, you just click the microphone again, and you can see it has stopped picking up my voice. All right, let's do a quick example. First, I wake up and brush my teeth, period. I eat breakfast with my family, period. Next, I work on math because it's my favorite, period. Then my family and I go outside to play games, period. Last, we come in and I finish up in reading, period. At this point, I'm going to want to copy and paste it up into the box. So parents, you can help with that. If that's too difficult, that is fine. You can just leave it right down there, but leave your teacher a note and let her know that it's your child responded in the notes down at the bottom. All right, guys, let's see. You can see here's my beautiful work. Please go through and put in your commas and your periods and make sure you have proper capitalization. I hope this helps.